Hey folks, this is your old pal Uncle Al, and today we're going to do mail call. And this is from Garter State Gardener. Whoops, sorry about that, Joe. Let me get a knife. And let's open it up. See what we got. Getting colder. And that's it. Nope, that's it. Now we got congratulations from Garter State Gardener. That's Joe channel every Sunday. Please check out his channel and try to get in. If you can't, send him cash. Send him money. Send him seeds. Send him books. Send them not canned foods, but anything to deal with the garden. Okay. So what I got? I got a sticker. There you go. And I got lemon drop peppers. I can't remember if this is sweet or not. Nope, spicy and tangy. Perfect, from Peru. I need some because my pepper crop got devastated this year from the smoke damage. Trust me, it was horrible. We got Serrano. Always good. What the heck is this? Oh, this is the hot pepper, banana hot pepper. Really good. And I got some Samba Red. Oh, this is lovely. Let's see if you see that. Samba Red. And this one is banana hot pepper. Now my hot banana peppers all died up because of the smoke. Trust me, I hate smoke. It's when you hear your plants going, Serrano. And then this lemon drop pepper. I'm going to really enjoy planting these. And the lovely sticker. So give a big hand to Joe at Garden State Gardener and tell him Uncle Al sent you over there. Catch you later, folks. You have a nice day. See you later. Bye.